Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to download and verify Linux Mint ISO file. First of all, open your favorite web browser and search for Linux Mint. The first website, linuxmint.com, click on it. On the homepage you can see the current version and code name of Linux Mint, which is 22.3 and code name is Xena. Click on download button. You can see here are three different editions. First is Linux Mint Cinnamon edition, 2 is XFCE, 3 is Mate. There is no big difference between these editions, but you can see the Cinnamon edition is modern and a little heavy edition of Linux Mint. So if you have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and running Core i3 5th or higher generation, so you can download this one. And if you want, if you have any old Core to do with 4 GB RAM or something, so you can download XFCE edition. And if you want a classic look, so you can download Mate edition, but I'm gonna download Cinnamon edition. So click on download button. Okay, in download mirrors you can see there is only one 64-bit version. There is no 32-bit version in Linux Mint in 22.3. so you can see the location. If your country or nearby country is mentioned in this list, so you can download it from here, so it can be download very fast. But the ISO file is same. There is no difference between ISO files. In my case, I'm using this first server. But I already downloaded the ISO file, as you can see. So I'm gonna pause it. And for verification, we have to download these two files under integrity and authenticity. Right click on it, click on save link as, and click on save button. But I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. Same like this one, I already saved this one as well. By the way, these two files are around under 1 MB. Both are under 1 MB. So okay, once your download is complete, the ISO file is downloaded, so just go to verify button. There is no such a difficult procedure. Just follow the steps I'm doing here. Open your terminal, so type cd downloads, type ls, and you will see here we have our Linux Mint ISO file. Now what I will type is SHA256 SUM -B and Linux Mint. Hit enter. Wait for a few minutes. Now we have to open our library calculator. Go back to the terminal, double click on it, copy and paste it here. Go to the line number 2 and open your file manager. Go to downloads and you see sha256 sum.txt file. Double click on it and you will see your verification number. Okay, in my case I'm using Cinnamon, so I will double click on it. This number from A to 4, I will copy it, close this one as well. Okay, in the third line we have to type is equal to A capital 1 is equal to A capital 2. Hit enter. If it shows you true, so it means your ISO file is good. But let me show you false. Like I changed the last number is 4, so it will show you false. So you have to make sure it shows you true. Okay, the next step is to import Linux Mint signing key. So select this command, copy it and paste it in terminal. Okay, our signing key is imported. Now we have to check the authenticity of our txt file which we just checked in here. So we will copy that command and paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy this one and we will paste it in library calc in the line number 4. And now this one, copy, and we have to paste it in the number 5, but we have to remove all the spaces. So we have to type again is equal to A4 is equal, sorry, A4 is equal to capital A5. Hit enter and it's true. But we have to check this key as well. Copy it and paste it in here at the number 7. Now type the command is equal to A4 because we copied this one from browser, A4, and is equal to A7. Yes, true. So we got all true here, and our ISO file, yes, our ISO file is completely fine and it's ready to make bootable. So it's if you already installed this one in your laptop, so this one is good and authentic. This one is authentic ISO file from Linux Mint, so there is no problem with the ISO or security, so you can install it in your new laptop or in another laptop or PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. And in my next video, I will try to teach you how to verify Linux Mint or any Linux ISO file on Windows PC or in Windows operating system. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe my YouTube channel and leave a comment if this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.